All right, this is a quick video about one of the interactive resources that you can use for interventions. It's flippity.net. And no, that's not what I want. So one of the places that you can use Flippity a lot is with sorts. And I'm just going to show you what one of them looks like done, and then I'll show you how you can make them really quickly. So there's one that has a short A, long A sort. And if there's two headings, I come over here to the little gear. So I'll just make this a 2-column chart. And then you can either do this together or you can send out this site to the kids either in Canvas or Teams or using Apple Classroom. And so they just can sort them and use the headings, and you guys can do it together and find the words. And I'll show you how you make the sorts. Every time you click on it, it goes back to the beginning, so it's not saving anything. You don't have to clear anything. You're just going back to the same site with the original words. So one of the things that the intervention has is every day there's a lot of these word lists like this. So you need word cards for this word reading thing. For this one, you need word cards, you need the boxes for that. But all right, so let's do this. All you're going to do is you're just going to copy and paste the list that they give you. All right, so there's no sorting with this. They just have to read the different words. So we can still do that. We just copy those words, and you're going to go to flippity.net. And the one that we're using is called Manipulatives. So you can click on it. The fastest way to do it is the quick and easy option. The only thing it doesn't have is the colors for the headings, which I like for some of those. With those, you just have to make a copy of an Excel sheet. So you can just start with these. These are pretty easy. And you're just pasting in the list like this. If I had headings, I would add the headings at the bottom. And then you just hit generate. And this makes the word list so they can just put the words they've said on one side. On the other, you can talk about ones that have things in common, things like that. So this is just a way for them to have a set of word cards. And all you're going to do is make a copy of this website at the top and paste it somewhere where you'll have it. And then this will always be a set of word cards that'll be set. So just name it and keep it. So that's one of the ways that you can use Flippity. Another thing that I used on here was the flashcards. They can make a whole set of flashcards. You can just write on the front of them. That's fine. So if they have to see a bunch of sight words or anything, you can make a stack of sight words and just keep them all together. So that's another one that's good for that website. And also down here, the Fun with Fonts, they have some ways that you can make like big letter cards that they can have and keep. So those are just a few ways that you can use Flippity. I'm looking for another sort. So word reading sort when you go. So this is one that had a 3 heading. So you could do 3 columns. So short A consonant E, and out of sort. And then they can move them around, or you can do it together. So that's just one of the ways. And then I just kept them all together with that week. This is skill 5 long A. So I have them in here to use. So that's how I would use Flippity.